Over the years, we have been expanding our in case of fire sign selection to include many different material options, wording options, and languages so that we can meet the needs and specifications of your property. Part of our offering includes accessible in case of fire signs, which have braille writing and a scannable QR code for audible instructions to ensure that building occupants of different abilities and who speak different languages have access to necessary fire emergency procedures. In the event of a fire emergency, building occupants can find an in case of fire sign posted next to a manual pull station. The instructions building occupants should take are written on the sign and vary based on the type of alarm system in the building and whether the building has elevators. They also vary based on your selection of optional wording, either regarding what to do in case of smoke or the consequences of a false alarm. On our accessible signs at the bottom, we have included braille that reads "Fire Procedures, Scan QR Code." The raised border around the QR code allows for easy tactile discovery. To access the audible instructions, building occupants must simply open their camera or a QR code reader app and hold their phone up to the QR code so that it can be captured. The QR code will take them to a page with instructions. The page can be translated to different languages. Please note that the instructions are translated using Google's translation capabilities. Therefore, the translation is as good as Google allows. Once the instructions are available, simply highlight the text and use your phone's text-to-speech function to listen to the audible instructions.
If you discover a fire, leave the fire area and immediately close all doors behind you.
Our accessible signage comes in white plastic, black plastic, and photoluminescent options, as well as French writing and bilingual English and French. All of our in case of fire signs are available for single-stage, two-stage, temporal, and hotel alarms. Please visit our website, safetymedia.com, to view our entire in case of fire selection. Also, be sure to follow us on social media, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and feel free to call or email us anytime.